Today, I'm taking on the challenge of convincing die-hard tech fans that they are really going to be missing out a great deal on electric vehicles if they don't take a second look at their capabilities, because they are adequately and consistently incorporating features that represent the future we are all waiting for. Something's amazing is around the corner for EVs. They might be missing out. They're getting more efficient, more powerful, and more accessible to the average consumer. And yet, I've noticed that a surprising number of tech enthusiasts seem to be stuck in neutral when it comes to EVs. But I think that's a mistake. After all, EVs are the perfect marriage of innovative technology and sustainable design. Electric vehicles, EVs, have become one of the most exciting innovations of recent years.